Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex tech topics into simple, easy to understand insights. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence agents, those incredible systems that are quietly revolutionizing everything from healthcare to transportation. Ready to find out more? Let's get started. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a digital assistant with superpowers. An AI agent is a program designed to perform tasks autonomously, without you having to micromanage it. These agents don't just follow simple rules, they perceive their environment, process information, and make decisions to achieve specific goals. They can even learn and adapt over time, becoming smarter with every interaction. AI agents stand out because they're more than just automated scripts. They're intelligent systems with some amazing features. Autonomy. They can work independently, whether it's sorting your emails or managing a fleet of delivery trucks. Decision-making. AI agents use advanced algorithms to evaluate options and choose the best course of action. Learning capabilities. With machine learning, they analyze data and improve performance over time. Interactivity. They can chat with users, interact with other systems, and even collaborate with other AI agents. Tool utilization. From APIs to external software, AI agents integrate seamlessly to get the job done. Let's take a closer look at how these agents work. Imagine them as having a digital nervous system made up of these core components. Perception module. This is how they gather data, whether through sensors, cameras, or APIs. For example, a self-driving car collects information using GPS and cameras. Data processing. Once the data is collected, it's analyzed to extract insights. This step involves algorithms, machine learning models, and sometimes neural networks. Decision-making. Based on the processed data, the agent chooses the best action, whether that's recommending a product or sending an alert. Actuator. This is where action happens. The agent executes tasks like sending an email, adjusting a thermostat, or moving a robotic arm. Memory. Advanced agents can store past interactions to improve their future decisions. AI agents are already transforming the way we live and work. Here are some of their most exciting applications. 1. Healthcare. AI agents assist in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatments, and even aiding in surgeries. For instance, AI tools can analyze medical images to detect issues faster than doctors. 2. Finance. They're the guardians of secure transactions, spotting fraud, and even helping you make smarter financial decisions. 3. Transportation. From optimizing delivery routes to powering self-driving cars, AI agents are keeping us moving efficiently and safely. 4. Enterprise automation. Tasks like booking travel or managing IT workflows, handled. AI agents boost productivity by automating routine jobs. 5. Research. Whether it's modeling climate changes or simulating robotics, these agents are essential for handling complex data. The future of AI agents is full of possibilities. Here are a few trends to keep an eye on. Agentic AI. These are fully autonomous agents capable of handling complex enterprise tasks without human guidance. Multi-agent frameworks. Think of it as teamwork for AI, multiple agents collaborating to solve problems more efficiently. AI agent builders. Platforms like LangChain make creating your own AI agent easier than ever before. Of course, AI agents aren't without their challenges. Issues like governance, data quality, and trustworthiness need to be addressed. Plus, let's not forget the human factor. Employees might worry about job displacement. But with the right safeguards, we can ensure these systems benefit everyone. So, there you have it. AI agents explained. These intelligent systems are already making waves, and their potential is limitless. Whether it's improving our daily lives or tackling global challenges, AI agents are here to stay. What do you think about this exciting technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below.